So I have a question, Frank. So I have a question for you. Don't laugh.
So I paid already. Can we go?
So, who's beautiful, your ex or me?
Very stupid question. I could say that. Not just because you're in front of me.
Tarong ka, Frank. Lord, di siya ka-answer. Try to stomach in so they will not think that you are old. What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing? You drawing?
Yes.
Show me. What do you have there? Wow. Wiris radai ka di ay. Show me your pencils. Oh. Come and write. Can write. Say good morning first.
And me
Okay. You wanna eat breakfast now?
down.
I'll sit down. Okay, Mama will sit down here. Guys, I will sit down first, guys. Okay, guys, tinatanong ko siya kung nalibang siya kinanlimang tae. Ipati-train na dyan ako, niba? Did you kaka?
Yes.
Then come on, we change.
No.
Why not? You can continue later. Pag kasi andito yan siya, nagdo-drawing. Ayaw mo nga ma-disturbo. Nakakagising niya lang nito, tapos kakagising niya lang, tapos nagdide.
Vlog na tayo.
Yeah.
Hi.
Pag umata. Magkugtong. Hi. Come on, we change. Si Francis natutulog pa. Baby brother is still sleeping. Na? Tell them that baby brother is still sleeping. Yeah, you smell. Uy, kakak dito, guys, is pupo. Come on, we change. Because you pupo. Uy. Smell from kakak. No. I can smell you. Stink, Francine. Uy.
No, down me.
Me? Hoy!
Down.
You stinks. Come on, so you can have breakfast. Nagdede lang to pagising. Tapos, wala pang breakfast.
No.
You're gonna eat breakfast. What do you want for breakfast? Pancake? Pancake? We make pancake for you. Come on, you continue later. Bilisan ako. Ilisan sa ako ni guys. Kaya naman ako ng tayo. Hello guys. Ako dari sala. Na akong kuyog na ako. Ako ang tapot lawas. Ako ang kambal. Kambal tuko. Kung kuha na, dili magpabutang. Ni kuha na guys, naandar na kuha. Butang na ko kinatul. You have your nam there. Oh, ang isa po daw bagong mata.
Dish.
You finish your kuhaan first. Oy, juice ka karon. Sisihon na ko mong pangayog juice ha. Finish your yum first. Yan you can have. Ang hugas og plato si Ila, nag-dry si kuan, Vanessa. Pa-dry na ako. Giring. Na hello. Hello. Hello, be. Hello. Sige, siya tanaw ng kurtina na mo na pula ra. Feeling na ako, di ba hayag man na sa ilahang pula? Si Frank wala pa, si Frank ka ulit na ginapin lakaw balik. Ulit to ron mga after 2 hours or 1 hour. What do you want? Isa o gasali mo ang wala may internet. Ang gusto niya ipa-YouTube niya kay salida na mo guys. Okay. Kika, Jennerman man. Di mo siya ganahang mga nga yung ganahan ka ng Super Wings, BB Bass, Cocomelon, nahungo, sigang mata pag ingon ako BB Bass. Francine, don't draw there. Papa will get mad. Francine, Bye. Langgang. Uy, sigtan okay, sighangad pa. Di na ko anon guys ibalhin og kugos kay balhin ako ni kugos pag sugda ni kugos na gid eh. Hantod niyo niya mga alas 10. Yabag ng bataan ni eh. So wala ko lutuon ron ba bot gawnon ako sakit po na tong ulo maghuna-huna tagadaw kung kuan ka guys ba kung naka housewife ka sakit ang ulo mo pag mag-iisip ka nung lutuin araw-araw papakain sa imong mga sako mag-ano jud ka magibog ka ba ang isa po do mga juice sige tagaan na ako ng juice guys okay para magpuyo ning isa don't finish the juice ha. Sus, ba ako ganina guys, naglimpyo ko sa balcony ba. Tapos, kikapoy ko imbis kay mag-continue unta ko kuan. Kay nagtanom ko. Nagtinanim ako sa balcony guys, nagtanim ako ng avocado. Okra na katong sobra, liso. Nagpalata yung ko isa na okra ba, nagikan sa Philippines, nagpalaya yung ko kay ko itanom. Og okra, avocado, og sa tong isa na akong gitanom eh. Okra, avocado o atsal mango ay dili atsal eh. Okra, avocado o samto. Lay unsa ito isa ka liso atong gitanom dira day? Unsa to isa ka liso atong gitanom? Okra, avocado og strawberry. Okra, avocado og strawberry. Sus. Wag gyud siya ni tubo, kabalo ka ni tubo. Sagbot, pakita na ko ninyo ha. Et lang. Ang libog jud ko, aha akong okra, avocado ko, ang lahi ang ni tubo guys. Sambot ug sagbot pa ka ni. Ang vlogging mga kinsa daw kong kasturya na buang ni siguro ni. Guys, pakita na ko ha. Limpyo man ta ko diri. Guys, nga na ba? Siya ko flower dira. Tanom-tanom lang gud ni sa balkon ni. Kana siya flower pero kani ang akong gibutang ani okra avocado man nata tong na diri avocado tapos diri kay strawberry pero ang nitubo tanawa lahi same lang sila kuan same lang sila gito sagbot na siguro na ambot na wala lang pud ako tangtanga kay nang inabuhi pud sa ilahan no luoy pud. Yeah, you give water flower niya. Kanya akong mga sakop. Kasi sige po nila bubuan. Yeah, si Frank. Si Frank. Ayaw na nag-ibta. Kay nindot man po tanaw na green draw. Kay, among balcony. Balcony ni diri sa among kwarto, guys. Ang isa, hilom-hilom ra ni. Kay God, juice man. Go in the kwan, be. Okay. Pero bintahan ni pa. Bahalag sige inom juice. Kay kusog mo po mainog tubig. So, okay ra. So, mutong balcony dito sa among kwarto, guys. Yung kaning diri, limpyuhanan ako na ako ni. Itong, yeah, you put here, water here. Vanessa is watering the plant. Careful ha, because Junior is here. Small only on the orchids, because it will die with loads of water. Lubot, kapot o lubot. So, guunon mo ni akong sakop diri, guys. So, guunon kayo ni sila. Pero karon man, i-offer siya mamubog bulak. Nakakuan din niya, kakaot og lubot. Pasensya na sa mga, ewan ko lang kung may mga Tagalog na nanonood sa akin, pero pasensya na kung mostly Bisaya yung sinasalita ko kasi mas comfortable ako guys, kasi na-express ko talaga yung gusto kong sabihin ba. Pansin, finish your yam-yam after ha. Ako ning pakanok. Cucumber human. Kusog man nimo kaog mga cucumber guys. Cucumber. Muna yung mga ampay, apple, cheese. Di kini siya hilig og ganang bitong kaon jud na kaon. Dili sabi butang sa muna ko grabe. Nag-ano ba ako guys, nag-YouTube ko sus nawala mang internet good morning. Nag-vlog na lang sa ako. Kaya di ba nawala ko ganina nag-YouTube ko kay nag-kuan ko mga nag-answer ko mga comments ba. Gutom na po ning isa. Butan niya eh. Hungry again, be? Gutom na po or mapakugos. Bago pag ikagatutoy o chukon sa o. Ano na to siya, guys? 6 kilograms. Diyos ko. May vaccine siya ngayong June 12. Appointment lang dalawa ni Francine. Kasi Francine po, kailangan may check-up siya. Pero check-up lang, walang vaccine. Check-up lang, murag kuan lang ba, guys? Murag normal check-up lang nila silang growth and development lang. So, ayun guys, mainit na dito. So, sa summer, mura na din may hilantan nun, kay last summer, nag 40 degrees dito. 37 degrees. Pag naka sa labas, guys, pag rakang nilalagnat. So, ang init na po siguro ngayon na, kuan ba? Ngayon na summer time. So, yun na.
You need to...
I forgot. It's only Frank is eating. He didn't pay for me. I just came with him to babysit baby Junior there. Nya nakatulon ka, Frank.
Right.
Do you manage to swallow? We have that saying in Philippines. If you are eating alone, then somebody is watching. We say it again. And it's yummy. Then you swallow well.
In Germany, we have to say...
Yeah?
We have a similar saying.
How?
We
Say it in
like,
Deutsch.
It's allein essen macht dick.
What is that?
It's like, eating alone makes you fat.
Okay. Guys, ayoko umorder ng ice cream, guys, kasi...
I want to be fat, by the way.
Yeah. Anyway, I don't feel eating. He just told me to go out. I don't know what. I was thinking there's something outside. We're looking for the plants. You cannot see it. Maybe he has one. No, he has none. And then we take a walk in the center. Tapos naghanap kami sa plant din. Umili lang kami ng drinks. And then he asked me if I want ice cream. Just watching Frank eating then.
What's that called again?
Mukbang. Mukbang. Francis ra mong gidala ang kids na sa bahay. Si Francis ra kay dali ra dalon. Si Ugnas ug kuyugon to si Francine ug apil dire. Sige to samok-samok. It's already guys, 19:30. Nahurot ng Frank yung ice cream, guys. It's yummy. So, manguli na dayon meron. Nagtagad rami na delivery dito sa plants, guys. So, ito. So, I was thinking na dito yung plant na akong gipangita pero wala di ay. Kumukaw ice cream. Uy, di man ko. I'm not really fan of ice cream. No, I want coffee ice cream, but...
You had coffee ice cream.
No, but not now. So I have a question, Frank. So I have a question for you. Don't laugh.
So I paid already. Can we go? Question and answer?
Yeah, I have a question. Just hit my mind now. So, who's beautiful, your ex or me?
Very stupid question. I can say that. Not just because you're in front of me.
Tarong ka, Frank. Alo, di siya ka-answer.
I should have met you before. When you were
Oh. You wanna know our age gap? So what's your guess? Frank's age? Comment down below. We asked that. So guys, comment down below. Comment down below Frank's age. So let's see if who can answer. Try to stomach in so they will not think that you are old.
I have to stand there. Jesus Christ.
No, it's okay. So, comment down below who can guess Frank's age.
You cannot hold the camera.
Because I'm laughing. Because I'm laughing. You're making fun of the one. So I think we have to go here before they gotta tell us, you know what to view. So we go home now, eh?
She's having also now.
Yeah.
There's no such
There's
thing
still another delivery, oh.
Yeah, I know.
Checking of the plants, eh?
Have a look. Take that.
No, I can see it from far because I know that plant.
No, I mean film that so the others can see that.
No, because there's the woman is watching, not that she thinks I'm filming her. Privacy of Kuan, you know. Uwi na kami ng bahay, guys. I took out Francis in the kinderwagen trolley kasi ang init ng likod niya. See? He likes his position now here in my arm. Like that. Oh, say hi, hi, hi. Hi, you happy now?
No more blue eyes.
Yeah, Filipina, mom.
You okay?
Yeah. No, it's Kuan. Ting ting. See, he's looking on the trees. Tanaw-tanaw siya sa mga punuan diri Kalasangan, guys. Kalasangan, you know Kalasangan? It's like woods. Kalasangan. Say Kalasangan, Frank. Kalasangan. You say Kalasangan.
What?
Kalasangan. They can hear that. Kalasangan.
Kalasangan?
Kalasangan. Amo ang place there. Should show the houses here. What it is like here in our neighborhood.
Oi.
Now there's no more empty apartment here.
It's like in any other big city, suburb in
You see
Germany.
that? There's a woman in the balcony. Seems like she's looking to us.
Maybe.
Or she Alzheimer? Not that she threw something on us now.
She's going to throw herself.
She looks familiar. She's looking to Francis. Because Francis is out. So peaceful ang aming walking ngayon kasi si Francine wala. It's like that here. Walang katao-tao. Nobody is here.
But there is over there are people.
Yeah?
There. And at the playground there are people. Once we pass the big one, I'm sure there's some kids playing outside.
Look at that. Francis is really looking around. Nature bee. What is this? Luya kayo eh. Na-ignorante ang bata. Na-ignorante ko gawas-gawas ang balay.
It's going to be Hans Cook in the Luft.
What is that?
It means like Hans looking up into the air.
Okay.
There's a children's story about that for kids who are always looking up for whatever reason, and they don't watch where they're walking.
It's like Francine then. She's not watching where she was walking. Okay, we could switch off for the time being because there's a one here now. We have to.
They're like tinkers.